I was just walking in here to set up my hot tent, and I noticed that there's this beautiful owl up in the tree. So I just had to crouch down here and watch him for a little bit. Well, that is just really cool. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna get the tent set up. I've got a little wood burning stove to go inside. We're gonna be having a bit of a fall feast. I'll set that guy out there for right now. Got some potatoes too. And we've got the main stove, and it basically just unfolds, so I'll show you. There's the legs under it, just pop out. That way it just packs down really nice and small. And there's these little clamps go down. The ground is a bit uneven, so I found these rocks to level the stove with. And the top just goes on. The titanium stovepipe has a memory of how it should roll up because I've heated it before. That's actually really cool. It just had the memory of exactly how it was supposed to go. I'm gonna start with some French fries. And we've got burgers, corn, and pumpkin seeds. That is some good fresh apple cider. Those are so good. This is so good. So humid out. My glasses are fogging up. I think that's done. This just really hits the spot on a fall day like today. Well guys, autumn isn't complete without a jack-o'-lantern. And there's all the seeds in here too that I'm gonna scoop out. I'm actually really curious if any of my international viewers have ever done this. It's kind of a normal thing, I think, in the United States to carve a pumpkin, but I also suppose pumpkins don't grow everywhere. I'm just gonna move all the seeds over into the skillet. That's actually a lot of seeds. getting kind of dark out. Well, next for the pumpkin seeds, I'm just gonna add in some salt, or just salt them. If you've never had roasted pumpkin seeds before, they're a lot like sunflower seeds. If you can find some that are freshly roasted, I like them best that way. Mix them up, but I'll leave a link in the description for some that I've had which are also pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go put them over the fire. While the seeds cook, I'm gonna carve a jack-o'-lantern. Let's get a little fire in them. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. I'll see you guys next week.